Today, Moshen Mahdawi is a free man. He's the Columbia student who was taken into custody weeks ago and faced deportation.
Mahdawi led the student protests for Gaza on Columbia's campus last year. NBC 10's Priscilla Cathbury is live in the newsroom for us with details on the case. Priscilla?
Well, J.C. Glenn, Moshen Mahdawi has been a legal and permanent resident of the United States for the past 10 years, and the Trump administration was arguing that he could be removed from the country under the Immigration and Nationality Act because his presence here, quote, would have serious adverse foreign policy consequences and would compromise a compelling U.S. foreign policy interest, unquote. But hours ago, a U.S. district judge announcing his disagreement with the government, and Mahdawi was allowed to walk free. You see right there, he exited the Vermont courthouse to cheers. The judge said Mahdawi was targeted by the government because it simply didn't agree with what he said and believed. Judge Geoffrey Crawford went on to say, quote, even if he were a firebrand, his conduct is protected by the First Amendment, unquote. And Mahdawi addressed his supporters and the media today, saying this was a victory not just for him, but America.
What is happening now is a light of hope. Yes. Justice Crawford, who ruled to release me against all of the heinous accusations, horrible attacks, chills of speech, First Amendment violations. He has made a very brave decision to let me out, and this is what justice is. And for anybody who's doubting justice, this is a light of hope, a hope and faith in the justice system in America.
And so far, the Department of Justice has not responded to the ruling or that Mahdawi is now a free man. However, the Department of Homeland Security said it would remain committed to the rule of law in the immigration system. Quote, no judge, not this or any other, is going to stop us, unquote. J.C. Glenn, back to you.